Have you noticed your legs don't feel as strong as they once did? Maybe stairs feel harder. Maybe standing up from a chair takes more effort. Or maybe your legs simply get tired faster than before. If you are over 60, these changes are common. But here's something important. Weakening legs are not just about getting older. Your leg strength affects your balance, your confidence, and your ability to enjoy everyday activities, walking with friends, traveling, playing with grandchildren, even carrying groceries. The good news is that your daily food choices can help support your muscles and bones. Today, we will share 6 simple foods that can help nourish your body and support stronger legs after 60. And make sure you stay until the end because the number 1 food is affordable, easy to find, and often ignored by many older adults. Welcome back to Vita Signal 60, your trusted source for healthy aging, nutrition, and wellness tips for adults over 60. Our goal is simple: help you stay active, stay independent, and enjoy life with confidence. Now let's discover the foods that can help support your strength. Let's start with a food that is probably already in your kitchen: eggs. As we age, keeping muscle becomes more challenging. That's why getting enough protein becomes increasingly important. Eggs provide complete protein, the kind your body uses to support muscle maintenance and repair. They also contain nutrients like vitamin B12 and vitamin D. These nutrients support healthy nerves and bones. The best part? Eggs are simple, affordable, and easy to prepare. A boiled egg at breakfast, or an omelet with vegetables, can be an easy addition to a healthy routine. Now let's talk about a food loved by many nutrition experts: salmon. Salmon provides high-quality protein, but it also contains omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats support overall wellness and heart health. Salmon also provides vitamin D, a nutrient that plays an important role in supporting healthy bones. Fresh salmon is great, but canned salmon can also be a convenient and budget-friendly option. Adding it to your meals a few times a week can be a simple way to increase your nutrient intake. But we are not finished yet. The next foods may surprise you. One is a common vegetable many people overlook, and another is a simple snack that can help you add more protein to your day. Now let's continue with the next food that can help support stronger legs after 60. The next food is simple, affordable, and often overlooked: spinach. This leafy green is packed with nutrients your body needs. It provides magnesium, potassium, vitamin K, iron, and other beneficial plant compounds. These nutrients support normal muscle function, healthy bones, and overall wellness. The best part is how easy spinach is to add to your meals. Mix it into eggs, add it to soups, blend it into smoothies, or enjoy it as a simple side dish. Small changes like this can create powerful habits over time. Next is Greek yogurt, a creamy food that can be a smart choice for older adults. After 60, protein becomes even more important for maintaining muscle. Greek yogurt provides a convenient source of protein. It also contains calcium, which supports strong bones. Some varieties also contain probiotics that support digestive health. Try adding berries or nuts for extra flavor and nutrition. It makes a simple breakfast or snack. Now let's talk about a food that gives your body steady energy: sweet potatoes. Staying active requires energy, and sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that fuel your body throughout the day. They are also rich in potassium, which supports normal muscle function. Plus, they provide fiber and important vitamins. Bake them, roast them, or add them to healthy meals. They are delicious and naturally satisfying. And now, the number 1 food on today's list: beans and lentils. These humble foods are nutritional powerhouses. They provide plant-based protein, fiber, iron, magnesium, and potassium. They are also affordable, easy to store, and simple to add to everyday meals. Add them to soups, salads, chili, or enjoy them with vegetables and whole grains. Sometimes the simplest foods can provide the greatest benefits. But remember this: no single food can strengthen your legs overnight. Healthy aging comes from daily habits. Eat enough protein. Stay active. Walk regularly. Do safe strength exercises if approved by your healthcare provider. Stay hydrated and get enough sleep. Your goal is not just stronger legs. Your goal is staying independent, enjoying time with family, traveling with confidence, and continuing to do the things you love. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these 6 foods do you already eat? And which one will you add to your meals? Share your answer in the comments below. Your experience may inspire someone else. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Vita Signal 60 and share it with someone who wants to stay strong after 60. Stay healthy, stay active, and we'll see you in the next video.